What's up everybody? Today I want to show you how you can disconnect your car's negative battery terminal without triggering the alarm. First thing you want to do is put the key in the ignition right here. That will secure it, but before we go and actually disconnect that, what we want to do is open the door like so and leave it open so we don't lock ourselves out of the car by mistake. I'm not going to put the window down because I want to have it left up. Then we're going to pop the hood just down here. Let's go to the front and open up. We're going to need a 13mm hex for this job. Let's open up the trunk. There we go. And head for the battery terminal. And here it comes, the moment of truth. Gotta turn that the right way, of course. There you go. That's nice and loose. Not loose enough. There we are. Pull that off, and as you see, no alarm. Now we don't want this touching the chassis anywhere, so I'll just wedge that in here for now. You can isolate that with some tape if you want to be extra sure, but for me this is fine. So that's how you disconnect your battery without triggering your alarm, guys.